Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start a Chevy Malibu without a key fob. First, locate the mechanical key inside the fob and remove it, then open the driver door and find the manual ignition cover or hidden slot near the steering column. Insert the key, turn to accessory, then to start while holding the brake. If you have push-button start, try the emergency key blade slot to engage ignition instead. When you attempt a manual start, prioritize safety and clear the area around the pedals and steering column. Engage the parking brake and place the car in park or neutral before turning the key. Keep your hands and clothing away from moving parts, and use gloves for better grip when handling the emergency key blade. If anything feels forced or unusual, stop and consult a professional locksmith or dealer rather than risking damage. If the Malibu won't start, first verify the battery health and clean any corroded terminals, then try turning the mechanical key again. Listen for clicks or slow cranking, which often point to a weak battery or starter problem. If the key turns but the engine does not engage, inspect the ignition cylinder and shift linkage for wear or obstruction. When in doubt, call a qualified technician to avoid further damage or costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.